Okay, for those of us who've lived here quite some time now, we know it's expensive to live in America's finest city.
Even people that just move here get a little sticker shock, don't they? A new report by the United Way of San Diego revealing 1/3 of San Diego households are struggling to meet basic needs. CBS 8's Kelly Hussedall live in Scripps Ranch, where the nonprofit's hosting a community event to talk about the findings of this report here. Kelly?
That's right, and a really interesting discussion is happening here in the Mission Fed building here. But yeah, we all know how expensive it is to live here in San Diego. We talk about it all the time, and this report really lays out why. Housing is certainly a big driving factor, but wages are also a problem.
One of the things that you see here in San Diego County is that wages really don't keep up with the costs. And so if you compare us to some of the other big cities around the country, we're considered to be the most expensive city to live in. And I'm not going to say, I don't know the numbers, but I don't think we're going to show that we're also the ones that are paying the most. You know, I think that balance is not there in terms of how much we make. They talk about the Paradise Tax.
And so that was Nancy Sasaki, president of United Way. So she is leading today's discussion about this 2025 real cost measure report. There are about 50 community members here in the audience. So the report found a family of four needs at least $116,000 to survive in San Diego County. And that includes basic needs like housing, food, and transportation. But it also finds that a lot of working families fall about $50,000 short of that number. So they're constantly looking for ways to make ends meet. Maybe they have a family that looks after their young children so they don't have to pay for childcare. Maybe they take on a second or third job to help make ends meet. Now, the report found something else that probably doesn't surprise you. Again, that housing is the biggest cost burden. On average, 25% of what a family earns goes straight to keeping a roof over their heads. So back out here live, I asked Sasaki then, what is the solution to all of this? And she said, employers should offer higher wages. Maybe employers should start offering to pay for the entire cost of health care. She says even things like just offering on-site daycare, little things here and there like that could certainly make a big difference. Kelly Hussedall, CBS 8.
All right, Kelly, thank you for that. After you